Hello spectators, I am Khushbu. This video contains a section of idea expansion from Standard 10 State Board. The topic is Speech is silver and silence is golden. It's an age-old proverb telling us the essence of silence in our lives. In 1831, Thomas Carlyle, the poet, translated this phrase into English. It means that speaking nothing is preferable than talking. Keeping one's mouth shut is of great value. Instead of telling everybody that please it's a secret, don't tell anybody. Oratory is an art. The person with great oratorical skill can reach positions in his life. But to speak the right thing at the right moment is of great virtue. We should know that our words should match the situation. Amongst scholars, if you are having abundance of knowledge, ocean of intelligence, still you should keep your mouth shut. Let's understand this by taking this example of Facebook. More than 100 people applied to Facebook. Though they were very experienced, very knowledgeable, they failed. And they went with their resumes to different companies, applied jobs, and they are doing well. But it was only one man who collected few people together and created WhatsApp. He hadn't replied to Facebook that moment that you don't know, you're messing with me, I have this ability to create WhatsApp. Instead, he worked silently under the carpet. Few years later, Facebook went to WhatsApp for purchasing it because its messenger was suffering badly. But WhatsApp was sold already. So it's not about roaring, it's not about speaking, it's about the action, it's about the karma. You have to work silently so that you can be a winner. Speaking a lot makes you blab, and that's not worthy. It's better to work in silence than to blab. Silence conveys its meaning in abundance, then such a soundless speech is called speech in silence. Materialistically, gold is precious to silver, and that's why we value gold than silver. Henceforth it is said, the silence is gold and speech is silver. Another example can be taken of J.K. Rowling, who is the writer of the fantasy series of the Harry Potter. She was a divorcee, a single mother, jobless, penniless, striving hard for success because she was the whole and soul of her daughter. She got rejected several times by several people, but she did not lose hope. She did not respond to anybody. She worked hard at her craft without being noticed, and that made her the winner. In 2004, Forbes named her second richest lady in the female entertaining world. It was J.K. Rowling, who did not respond to anybody, kept on working hard silently, and see where she is today. So it's better to keep one's mouth shut. It's the golden key that everyone should apply to their lives. So hereby I conclude saying speech is silver and silence is golden. It doesn't mean that you have to be introvert, stoic, tongue-tied or listless. Communication is a gift. Communication and good laughter keeps the person healthy and wise. So you need to speak, but at the right time and the right place. It is said that supreme meditation is done in supreme silence. And telepathy is a form of golden silence. It makes communication work when you're silent. Miracles can happen in silence. So if you want to add that grandeur and charm to your life, you should stay silent and speak at the right moment and the right time. Thank you. May fortune come to you.